They sleeping, they sleeping, they sleeping, they sleeping on me.
So in this video, I'm going to show you how I remove my eyelashes. I know I look crazy with eyelashes, but I can't help it. But at least I still got a little lash. See them? But anyway, how I remove these little buddies is with coconut oil. It don't matter what coconut oil, what brand, just use some coconut oil. And some eye remover. I use both of these together to remove my eyelashes. It's a little study process, but you know, it can happen. You can do it very quickly and it'll come out. It takes like a good 10 or 15 minutes to come out, but yeah. So I use like a little Q-tip and I mix it together in here and I just rub it on my eyes repeatedly until it come out. Cause just pulling them out, you're gonna pull off all your lashes if you keep just pulling them out like crazy. You cannot do that. You have to take your time, and if you wanna keep having lashes, you need to gently take them off. You cannot rush to pick these off, or you ain't gonna have no lashes, period. It's gonna be hard for your lashes to grow back. Luckily, when I don't have none on, you know how you use the wild growth of your hair? I put a little bit of wild growth on my eyelashes so they can grow big. Cause the next time I wear the eyelashes is gonna be a month from now. But yeah, this is what I used, and I'm gonna show y'all the process right now. See? Let it sit for a couple minutes and it come out. Well, this be the only part right here they be stubborn. I gotta use my Q-tip again. The other part came out. I lost a little bit of lashes though. Ooh, I'm about to cry now because it's, and that's it right there. Ooh, I got a little still though. But y'all, that is how, ooh, I'm tearing up. But that's how I get my eyelashes out. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see y'all later. Bye.
They sleeping, they sleeping.